Hello, I'm Joette Fielding with the Fielding team at Remax About Town in Oakville, Ontario. I'm here today to introduce you to this absolutely gorgeous French Chateau-inspired custom home. Welcome to 1525 Warren Drive. This home is absolutely perfect for the discerning buyer. Just a few mentionables are the heated driveway, the elevator, the custom millwork, the plaster mouldings. Please follow me for a tour inside.
Welcome to 1525 Warren Drive, a magnificent French Chateau-inspired custom home in the coveted Morrison neighbourhood of southeast Oakville. Nestled on a 100 by 150 foot lot, gorgeous perennial gardens and meticulously trimmed hedges accentuate its rounded natural stone front courtyard and fountain, as well as the arched portico, while a triple-wide, glycol-heated concrete driveway has declining access to the oversized underground double garage and no manual snow removal during the winter months. The arched, solid mahogany wood door opens into a grand foyer with a detailed micro-mosaic inlay set into its natural stone floor. A recessed center dome at the top of its soaring 17-foot ceiling is illuminated by perimeter lighting and an exquisite chandelier, while ornate custom plaster mouldings separate the main and upper levels. On either side of the foyer are arched entries into the formal entertaining spaces. The elegant living room showcases a waffled ceiling with custom plaster mouldings, as well as a rough-in for a gas fireplace, while arched display niches complement the archways to both of the formal rooms. Sconce lighting accentuates the intimate aura of the dining room, which is graced with a curved wall and finished with exquisite double custom crown mouldings. There are many exceptional details and finishes found throughout the home, including natural stone flooring with radiant heating, Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, custom millwork, cabinetry and plaster mouldings, solid corridors with deluxe hardware, as well as an elevator on all levels for accessibility. Cabinetry and arched art niches with accent lighting frame a built-in precast fireplace in the sunken great room, which is wired for a plasma TV, security system, and internet. French doors with brass auto-lock hardware open to the massive rear patio. And from the main hallway and kitchen are bull-nosed marble steps, while a wrought iron and cherry wood railing surround the open area of this magnificent room. An amazing work, family, and entertaining space, the stunning custom kitchen showcases two separate islands, cabinetry with inset framing and accent lighting, top-of-the-line appliances including a 5-burner gas cooktop, and a built-in dining booth with 6-foot windows and 240-degree seating around its bench area. Also featuring granite counters and a natural stone backsplash with a mosaic inset, the kitchen's food prep island has a vegetable sink, a breakfast bar, and built-in refrigerator drawers, while the baking and cooking island has a built-in oven, steamer, and microwave, as well as storage drawers. Both the fridge and dishwasher are paneled to coordinate with the cabinetry, and the kitchen is complete with a family organization center and desk, a separate pantry, and an undermount porcelain sink. Finished with granite counters and a natural stone backsplash, the laundry room is equipped with an LG Trom front-load washer and dryer that has been ergonomically raised for more comfortable use. The adjacent powder room showcases a custom-designed onyx sink and counter with a one-of-a-kind wrought iron pedestal. And at the end of the hall is a spacious mudroom with 2 walls of built-in cubbies, a secondary staircase to the lower level, as well as a doorway for access to the front and side yards. All 3 cherry-stained oak staircases in this home have wrought iron and hardwood railings, with the main staircase carrying to an upper hallway brightened with pot lighting, 4 solar tubes, and one of 4 skylights on this level. The 4 bedrooms all showcase arched dormer windows as well as ensuite washrooms with Toto toilets, natural stone heated floors, and designer fixtures and faucet hardware. with both the second and third bedrooms additionally featuring curved walls, walk-in closets with custom organizers, and ensuites with skylights, vanities with granite counters, rounded corner tempered glass showers with body jets and rainmaker and handheld shower heads, as well as soft close heated toilet seats. Open to the foyer below, and with a railing that matches the main staircase, the center hall reading nook also allows one to appreciate the grandeur of the foyer space, its arched dormer window with marble display ledge, and its ceiling dome. The hallway also features a storage closet as well as elevator access at the end of the hall, and completing the common area is the fourth bedroom, which features a double closet as well as an ensuite washroom with a rounded corner tempered glass shower and a vanity with glass counter and bowl sink. Through a grand double-door entry is the elegantly appointed master suite, graced with curved walls and enjoying backyard and patio views from an arched dormer window as well as a Juliet veranda with natural stone floor. Wired for cable, satellite, and internet, and having a provision for a gas fireplace, the master bedroom also features a walk-in closet with fully built-in organizers, a skylight, and an island with onyx countertop. Beautifully appointed, the luxurious ensuite showcases a vanity with onyx counter, crystal handles, and designer faucet, a domed cupola over the 72-inch round jacuzzi tub, a tempered glass steam shower with body jets and rainmaker and handheld shower heads, and a Toto toilet with remote control and soft close heated seat. Other superb features of the home include an in-ceiling atmosphere central sound system with multi-source distribution on the main and lower levels as well as in the master bedroom suite, a Crestron automated sound, atmosphere lighting and security system, LED pot lighting, 8.5-inch baseboards on the main level, 6.5-inch baseboards on the upper level, as well as complementary 4.5-inch door and window casings with backband, quick sweep vacuum attachments in the kitchen, laundry room, and master bedroom ensuite, as well as 9 and 10-foot smooth finish ceilings on the main level. At the end of the main level hallway is the primary staircase to the lower level, as well as a doorway accessing the rear patio. And this hallway also leads to a home office and library space with dark stained built-in cabinetry with accent lighting. This home's second powder room showcases a designer sink and faucet with custom designed glass tiled counter and one-of-a-kind wrought iron pedestal. And this hallway also has elevator access. At over 3,000 square feet in size and showcasing 2,200 square feet of finished living space, the lower level has radiant in-floor heating, 6.5-inch baseboards, and pot lighting throughout, and features a massive open-concept recreation area that offers abundant family, conversation, dining, and entertaining space. Additionally, this level features a wet bar, elevator access, a bedroom, a full washroom with rounded glass shower, and a theater room. The lower level has many other important features as well, including multiple storage rooms, a glycol radiant heating systems room, an electrical and component room, a drywall ceiling and 10-inch concrete walls with large windows, is fully wired for cable, satellite, and internet, has provisions for a wine cellar and a gas fireplace, and has access to the garage from a mudroom with its own separate entry from the side yard. Some of the superb exterior features of this home include an in-ground irrigation system, soffit pot lighting, wrought iron railings, wired landscape and tree canopy lighting in the front yard, as well as a side walkway overlooking terraced rock gardens leading to the rear patio and yard. Incredibly private, the backyard is surrounded with towering trees, is beautifully landscaped, and a tumbled stone patio runs the entire length of the home in 2 tiers, offering exceptional entertaining space. An outdoor storage cabana has a stucco exterior to coordinate with the home, and from the rear patio is a stairwell with stucco accent and armor stone wall leading to the lower level entry and driveway. Illuminated with sconce lighting, landscape and tree canopy lighting has been roughed in. There is a sound system with multi-source distribution as well as a gas line for a barbecue, and the rear patio has been fully excavated underneath with proper drainage installed. Equidistant to both the Oakville and Clarkson GO stations, and with easy highway access for commuters, this superb home is also minutes to Oakville's historic downtown to enjoy a variety of restaurants, cafes, trendy shops, professional services, entertainment, and picturesque Oakville Harbor. While Maple Grove Public School, highly acclaimed Oakville Trafalgar High School, surrounding parks, and Lake Ontario are all just a short walk away.